Morning to all my dear children. So I am welcome you all back to our English online class. Today I am here with a new topic again from a grammar gear book. That is topic sentences in page number 102. Page number 102. Chapter 17, sentences and kind of sentences. We are going to start with a new topic of grammar. In the last class, I have done conjunction, and I believe and hope that you have all understood the conjunction. Correct, students? See, I will just tell you. If you have any doubt, any confusion, I am always there with you to help you and guide you, my children. You are always welcome. You always feel free to ask. कोई टैक्स नहीं लगता यहाँ पर, कोई जीएसटी नहीं लगता पूछने का. आप कभी भी बेफिक्र होकर मुझसे पूछें. यू कैन कॉल मी, आस्क मी. ठीक है? ऑलवेज फील फ्री टू टॉक. अगर हम बात करेंगे, पूछेंगे, तो ही हमारा डाउट और हमारा क्लियर होगा. तो बिना डर के आपको पूछना है बेटा. ठीक है? तो आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द न्यू टॉपिक चैप्टर 17 ग्रामर सेंटेंसेस पेज 102 इन योर ग्रामर बुक. सो सेंटेंसेस हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग? वाक्य. हिंदी में बोलते हैं हम लोग, इसको यहां पर लिखूंगा मैं, वाक्य. राइट? और इंग्लिश में हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? सेंटेंसेस. SEN sen, TEN, ten, CES, sentences. Correct? So what is the definition of sentence? What do we mean by sentence? A very easy and simple way. Group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Which makes a complete sense. If I'm saying I am a teacher, is a group of word and makes a complete sense. Teacher, I am a. If I say I like to play cricket, it's a group of words, it makes a complete sense, is a sentence. Correct? मैं बोलूंगा, if I say I am no play cricket, you know coming home, does it make any sense, children? No. So it's a nonsense sentence. If I say I come home, you know I kick the door, does it make any sense? Not at all. So it's a nonsense sentence. And what is a sentence? Group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Right, students? Children? So I want you to repeat after me. Please repeat after me. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So we'll repeat one more time, children. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Right? Now we have example over here. Rakesh is not my friend. It's making a sense? Yes. It is making a sense, and that is a sentence. I love to eat sweets. Is it making a sense? Yes, it is making a sense. So children, this is my sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is a sentence. So let's move to the next one. She is my mother. Again, group of words making complete sense is a sentence. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? It is making complete sense. It is a sentence. Correct? Follow the traffic rules. Follow the traffic rules, children. Is it making complete sense? Yes, it is my sentence. Right? So this is my sentence. Okay? So here, what we have understood? Sentence definition is a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Right? And I take one more example. We are studying online classes at home. Group of words. Our teachers are teaching us through Pocket Study app. On common sense. If I say, I study no app, no coming video, you no coming, no understanding, what is this? This is a nonsense sentence because I am not able to understand. Right? So I hope the definition is clear. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So this definition is clear. Now, what we are going to do next? Kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence we have. Assertive, declarative sentence, that is assertive and negative. Second, interrogative sentence. Third is exclamatory sentence. And fourth is imperative sentence. So these are 4 kinds of sentence we have. Declarative, that is assertive and negative. Interrogative sentence, asking questions. Imperative sentence that talk about command, order, request, right? Instructions. Imperative. And exclamatory. Oh, ouch. Oh my God. Feelings, emotions, having an exclamation mark. Correct? Okay? So, I have just explained today the sentence. In my next class, I will be explaining you the kinds of sentences. I don't want to rush with the syllabus. I don't want to teach you every day, all the thing, step by step, so that we do not miss. अगर हम सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहे हैं या उतर रहे हैं, अगर हम एक भी सीढ़ी मिस करें तो क्या होगा? हम गिर जाएंगे, हमें चोट लग जाएगी. जल्दबाजी में कुछ नहीं करना है, सब कुछ आराम से स्लोली करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू चिल्ड्रन, आज हम क्या पढ़े? व्हाट वी हैव टुडे, वी हैव जस्ट डन इट. दैट्स द टॉपिक, so that we need to understand everything slowly and properly. So today I've just explained you the topic, that this topic we are going to do it, and kinds of sentences will be going with the next class. Right? What I have done now, I have given you the notes or just a small definition of sentences in the Pocket Study App document. You need to copy it with the example. That's it. In the next class, I will be explaining you the kinds of sentences. Right? So, till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, and please feel free to call me and contact me if you have any doubt related to the topic. Take care. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you.